Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. So in the previous episodes we have been removing the rear and front hubs as well as the drive shafts, and the next natural step is of course making a CAD drawing of it. So I will be taking some measurements before I disassemble them too much, and then I will disassemble them and start sandblasting them. I will try and make sort of center points for all the mounting points on them so that I can take more accurate measurements. So here we have the front left hub, and I have cleaned up some of the surfaces that I will be measuring. I might need to do some adjustments later on, but I will take the upper and lower ball joint connecting points, I will take the brake caliper mounting points, I will take the brake hose bracket connecting points, the ABS and the steering tie rod connecting point. I will also take the steering stop. So I will have on the tapered holes I will have two diameters and a thickness, and on these I will just have a thickness and a diameter. I will also use this one and measure so that I get the distance. Maybe you didn't see it like this. So I get the distance from this surface down to the table. And I will mark everything on a piece of paper. So now we need to do the same with the rear hub. We have a few more mating points or mounting holes that needs to be measured. So I will get started on that. So the measurements have been taken. I haven't taken anything for the axle hole. I will do that at a later time when the bearing is out and the seal is out, etc. But I have the brake caliper mounts, I have the trailing arm, the front lower arm, the rear lower arm, the top arm, and the strut. So now I can make some Christmas trees to find out where the center is, and then with that I can do triangulation and find out the relationship between them. So that will be it for this episode. It took a bit longer than expected, so I didn't have any time to do more disassemble of the hubs, but I will just have to do that in the next episode. But thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.